हरिः कर्ता।
Now let's look into the predictive analytics. What is likely to happen? Predictive analytics encompasses a variety of statistical techniques from data mining, predictive modeling, and machine learning that analyze current and historical facts to make predictions about future or otherwise unknown events. So, predictive analytics is all about forecasting, is mainly forecasting whether it's the likelihood of an event happening in future, forecasting a quantifiable amount or estimating a point in time at which something might happen. So, these are all done through predictive models. And predictive models typically utilize a variety of variable data to make the prediction. The variability of the component data will have a relationship with what it is likely to predict. Example, the older person, the more susceptible they are to a heart attack. We would say that age has a linear correlation with the heart attack risk. So these data are then compiled together into a score or prediction. In a world of great uncertainty, being able to predict allows one to make a better decisions. Predictive models are some of the most important utilized across a number of fields. So some of the predictive analytical techniques are regression techniques, out of them linear regression model, logistic regression model, probit regression, multinomial regression, logistic regression, time series models, machine learning techniques. It doesn't mean data science and predictive analytics are exactly same. They are not. Okay. They of course predictive analytics is the subset of, not even predictive analytics, analytics actually intersects with machine learning. I will show you, it's there in my another course. So it's the course is on data industry. In that I have clearly explained what is the relationship between the analytics and then machine learning. So obviously analytics intersect with machine learning, because where predictive analytics is going to use some of the algorithms from machine learning, such as regression algorithms, logistic regression, and time series models obviously completely belongs to the predictive analytics model. And machine learning, few more machine learning techniques can be used from the machine learning to do the predictive analytics. So that's the reason. Remember one thing in your mind: predictive analytics is not equivalent to the data science. Of course, predictive analytics uses some of the techniques, some of the models, some of the algorithms from machine learning. So machine learning includes a number of advanced statistical methods for regression and classification, and finds applications in a wide variety of fields, including medical diagnostics, credit fraud detection, face and speech recognition, and analysis of the stock market. And all those machine learning techniques will be used into the predictive analytics. So let's sum this up. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is the analysis of data to make predictions about the future. It involves building models that can be used to forecast future trends or outcomes based on historical data and other relevant factors. The goal of predictive analytics is to provide insights that can be used to make informed decisions and take proactive actions. So this is what a predictive analytics means. It it will find out what is likely to happen in future. So this, by knowing what is gonna happen in future, so that outcome, so we will use that result, we'll use that insights, we'll use that insights to make an informed decisions and take a proactive actions before that events happen.